In this video, I'm going to show you what happens when you put a clothespin in your car. This is a great way to freshen up your drive time, reduce stress levels, increase alertness behind the wheel, and just give you an overall more pleasant experience. If you are familiar with essential oils, then you know they have a lot of health benefits and they are a great alternative to toxic chemical air fresheners sold in auto stores. One of the things you can do to make your car smell better is to put a couple drops of essential oil on a clothespin and clip it to your air vent. But that's not all. If you choose your fragrance wisely, you can reap a few more benefits from this practice. Fragrances like peppermint, sweet orange, rosemary, lemon, and/or spearmint all increase alertness and increase energy, which is great when you have to drive long distances or be behind the wheel for long hours. Contrast that with fragrances like lavender and a few others that have the opposite effect and cause drowsiness, so you would want to avoid those. These oils are highly concentrated, so start with 1 or 2 drops and just play with the amount to see what you can handle. You don't want to use too much and overwhelm yourself and your passengers, but you want to use enough on the clothespin to reap the benefits, make the car smell good, etc. If you're wondering why you should put a stocking on your vacuum cleaner, click the video on the screen now, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.